study the topic excretion. What is excretion? Removal of waste products from the body is called as excretion. In human body, there are two main waste products. One is carbon dioxide and the other is urea. Carbon dioxide is removed from the body through lungs. But urea is very toxic and that is the main waste product of our body, which is removed by the excretory system of our body. Now, what are the organs which are involved in the excretory system? The organs of excretory system are kidneys. There are two kidneys. Ureters, these are the two pipes which are connected to the kidney. Urinary bladder, it is a big bag, and urethra. The dirty blood enters the kidneys. Here the blood is clean and good blood or the nice blood is transferred to the renal vein. The dirt is then transformed into a yellowish liquid which is called as urine. This is the waste product of our body. This urine is transferred from kidney to the urinary bladder through the ureters. These are the tubes which carry urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a big bag which will hold the urine. Once this bag is filled, then the urine passes out of our body through the urethra. So this is general working of an excretory system. Now let us study the main organ, that is kidney. This is the internal structure of kidney. Inside the kidney there are a number of nephrons. What is nephron? It is the major unit which is responsible for the production of urine. And what is urine? It is the yellowish liquid which is formed after the blood becomes clean and the waste products are removed from it. So urine, it contains the waste of our body and that urine is removed from the body through the kidney. In this structure, we can see there are a number of nephrons. Now, the nephron over here, it consists of a C-shaped cup, that is the Bowman's capsule, and a long tube that is known as the tubule. In the kidney, the dirty blood enters through renal artery. It then passes through the nephron. The tubule of nephron passes the urine to the collecting duct of kidney. From here, it passes through the ureter to the urinary bladder. The cleaned blood, the blood which is now clean, is then passed to the renal vein. So this is the structure of the internal structure of kidney. Now let us study the detailed structure of a nephron. So what is nephron? Nephron, it consists of a C-shaped cup which is called as Bowman's capsule and a long tube which is going to carry the urine to the collecting duct. So this long tube is known as tubule. The other structure that we see here, this knot-like structure, is the glomerulus. One end of the glomerulus is connected to the renal artery. The renal artery brings dirty blood into the glomerulus. Here this blood is filtered. यहाँ पे उसको छाना जाता है, उसमें से जो भी waste है, that is filtered, and the cleaned blood is moved out through the second end of glomerulus and it is given to the renal vein. जब ग्लोमेरुलस ये अच्छा ब्लड जो रीनल वेन के पास भेज रहा है, उसी टाइम पे what it does, it forms a network of capillaries over this tubule. For what? See, whatever filter is obtained here, that is the waste products, is now urine, and this urine passes through this tubule. कभी-कभी उस यूरिन में कुछ अच्छी चीजें जैसे कुछ मिनरल्स या फिर स्मॉल अमाइनो एसिड्स या फिर एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर भी उसमें जाता है. तो इन दैट कंडीशन the network of capillaries which is formed by the glomerulus over this tubule it reabsorbs the good material from the urine. यूरिन जो यहाँ बनी है उसमें अगर कुछ सामान है जो अच्छा है तो वो उसको क्या करेगा, वापस से रीएब्सॉर्ब करेगा. इस रीएब्सॉर्प्शन के टाइम पे यहाँ पे जो डेड सेल्स है या फिर यूरिया के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है दे आर वेरी लार्ज इन साइज, तो दे आर नॉट रीएब्सॉर्ब, वो यूरिन में ही जाते हैं. बट द अदर पार्ट्स दे आर absorbed, whichever are good are absorbed by these capillaries and then they are again transferred to the clean blood. तो ये क्यों होता है? रीएब्सॉर्प्शन इसलिए होता है ताकि अगर हमारे बॉडी में से अच्छा सामान जैसे अमाइनो एसिड्स है या फिर कुछ मिनरल्स है वो अगर यूरिन में एज अ वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे आर स्मॉल इन साइज, दे माइट गेट फिल्टर हो जाएंगे तो यूरिन में चल जाएंगे, तो वेस्ट ना हो, इसीलिए यहाँ पे फिर से रीएब्सॉर्प्शन का काम करती है ये नेटवर्क ऑफ कैपिलरीज, एंड देन दैट इज अगेन एब्सॉर्ब, सो इट इज नोन एज रीएब्सॉर्प्शन. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सेलेक्टिव रीएब्सॉर्प्शन, क्योंकि वो क्या एब्सॉर्ब करता है, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ काम की ही चीजें एब्सॉर्ब करता है. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सेलेक्टिव रीएब्सॉर्प्शन. So I hope you have understood. The dirty blood enters here through renal artery through the first end of the glomerulus. In the glomerulus, the filtration process takes place. Now, after filtration, the good blood, that is the clean blood, is then transferred towards the renal vein by the second end of the glomerulus. At the same time, the glomerulus makes a network of capillaries around this long tubule. This long tubule, it is containing urine, which it is transferring to the collecting duct of kidney. Now, this network of capillaries will go for selective reabsorption of amino acids, minerals, and even water. Then, the clean blood is transferred to renal vein, and the dirty blood or the urine, it is transferred to the collecting duct of the kidney. From there, through the ureters, it is transported to the urinary bladder, and from the urinary bladder, it moves out of our body through the urethra. In summer seasons, we sweat more, so the requirement of our body of water is more. At that time, more absorption of water is done over here. But this water is not absorbed more during winters, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे हमारे बॉडी की वाटर की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होती है, बहुत कम. So I hope you have understood the entire functioning of kidney, nephron, selective reabsorption, everything. If you still have any problem, you can write in the comment section. If you feel this video is good, do like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye.